My research paper title is Special Temporal Changes in Land Use and Cropping Pattern in Command Area of Chikutra Irrigation Project Geographical Analysis. In this paper, introduction, agriculture is the base of overall development and it is the backbone of Indian economy. And water is called as life. Water resource is one of the basic ingredient of agriculture activities. So water is valuable element for the agriculture. Moreover, the sustainable agriculture development depends upon a water supply. Thus, irrigation is one of the important, valuable component progressive agriculture. Generally, irrigation means artificial application of water to land or growing cropping, known as term irrigation. Significance of the study in India, agriculture sector is main occupation of farmers. So, the erratic monsoon nature and water resource is important. So the relationship between agriculture and water supply is very important. So the significance of the study in that particular point is very important. The study region in that slide: location, river length, area, population, construction of the dam, etc. Objective: the main objective of the research paper to study analyze the spatial temporal changes in land use in the study area and to change of cropping pattern in study area. Data and methodology depends upon primary and secondary data. The lower Chikutra irrigation project command area comprises 10 villages out of one selected 10% with the help of purposive random sampling technique, and micro level study includes very plot to plot survey in Metke village. Land use cropping pattern before and after land use pattern change explanation in that table. uh, Shortly, 4.62% of land use change after the irrigation facility. Cropping pattern in same case 25%, 25% point 29% changing cropping changed after the supply of water. Irrigated cropping pattern. Irrigated cropping pattern changed before and after. That is the uh, uh, plus 12.9% irrigated cropping pattern is changed due to a perennial and supply water supply. Uh, Conclusion: in the that research paper conclusion is the study reveals that there is a spatial temporal change in the land use pattern and cropping pattern. Irrigation is the responsible for the bring out such changes. The overall changes in the general land use is about 4.62%, and there is a 25.76% uh, increase in total irrigation area during the period under investigation. And water supply is a very important element is in that particular in that region. So water facility availability in that region. So farmer and agriculture is the turn to cash crop pattern. Thanks.